Hello, how do I manage overnight risk in swing trading? Well, with long up-to-long swing trading strategy that I use, it's not even a question that apply to it, because those stocks, I'm not trying to capitalize on daily fluctuation. So therefore, there is no worry about overnight risk if you keep the stocks for more than, a day. We are going to analyze SHW as of July 7, 2026. So when we are looking at SHW, for instance, we are using maximum daily chart here, and because with long up to long swing trading strategy, we are buying a very low where the stocks is going to pull back to, and we are selling after it reach all-time highest price. Every single bar between it is a daily daily transactions, fluctuations. Like every single bar is a daily bar on this daily chart, but you'll have multiple months between. So because we are capitalizing on fluctuations, growth for many weeks, if not months, what is happening within a day is less relevant. So therefore, if we purchase the stocks up to and having a portfolio on up to the next day, is nothing comparable to having the stocks in your portfolio for months. So therefore, when it comes to overnight risk, it does not apply to this strategy at all, because we are not day trading, and our swing trading is not about one day to the next. Even in 2024, when I used short up-to long swing trading strategy, I was buying stocks and selling a few days later, or a week or so later. Yes, it was more close together where I'm buying, where I'm selling, but and in that instance, when the stocks pull back after I purchase it, I will stay in the trade a little bit longer than expected until it goes back up and I have a good profit, and then I will sell it. So, Jaren, no, you'll come back later.
Okay, whatever.
And when I'm talking to you, don't say that. So, yeah, and for this strategy, using long up to long swing trading strategy, we are buying at the support line, and then we are selling it after it reach all-time highest price, and it can take some months. We have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. And you can see that for the previous cycle, it started in 2023 when it touched base. In fact, 2022 when it touched base with that support line, went up, pull back to it, went up, pull back, and then start going up from there. So 2023, in fact 2022, 2023, 24, when it reached the highest peak and was done going up and start going down from there. So it took 2 full years or so to climb from the valley to the peak and be done and start going down again. I have not purchased a year. It got close to a year but didn't touch base with it. So I don't know if that's just how far it's going to come to it, or if it's going to pull back again and go lower to it. I'm waiting to buy at the valley line. I have not purchased it yet. But that is the strategy I'm using, because I'm using a time on my side here a little bit by having it for months in my portfolio times I'm capitalizing on time as well, and I'm trading growth stock. So I know that if I purchase it and it pull back down, that means I pay higher price for it. I'll just let it be negative in my portfolio until it's ready to start going up and surpass where I purchased it, because they are growth stocks. Will go to maximum monthly chart. They do reach all-time highest price, higher than the previous peak. So therefore, that is the range I'm trying to swing trade on one side of the swing, but not a short-term swing, but long-term swing. So buying it at the valley and selling it around the peak, around the buy around the valley and sell it around the peak. So, and capitalizing on one side of the swing here that has multiple fluctuation within it. So overnight risk does not really apply here. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just start slowly and surely you'll get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, pursuing our financial independence goal. And I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, what I'm learning here with you, so that if you find some useful tips, you can customize on those to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use that in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using long uptrend lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for pouches, cloth napkins, or tote bag, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.